Okay, good one. Let's get started our session today. Today we're gonna revise equal parts, halves, thirds, and fourths. طيب, who can tell me what's the meaning of halves? Raise your hands. Don't answer without permission. Raise your hands. Huh? What's the meaning of halves? Do you remember? Halves.
Yep, I remember.
يلا يا أحمد. What's the meaning of halves?
Half like two equal
Two
parts.
equal parts. Good job. The halves, two equal parts. The word equal is very important, okay? Two equal parts. طيب, the thirds. Who can tell me the thirds? The thirds. يلا يا مريم. What's the meaning of thirds? We said that halves means two equal parts. طيب, thirds يا مريم.
Three equal parts.
Three equal parts. طيب, and the fourths? يلا يا آدم.
Four equal parts.
يلا يا آدم. The fourth means
Four equal parts.
four equal parts. The word equal is very important, okay? Equal.
Four equal.
طيب, let's start with the first one. You have to read the questions carefully. So who can answer the first one?
Four.
Who can answer the first
Me,
one?
me.
Adam?
Yes.
يلا يا Adam. Read the question.
What?
Read the question. Read it. Circle.
Circle. Each
Shape.
chose
That's
third.
chose thirds. Yeah. So we're going to circle the shapes that shows thirds. And we said thirds means three equal parts.
Equal parts.
Three equal parts. طيب. Is this shape shows thirds? The blue rectangle?
This one?
Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, why?
Because it's equal parts.
Three equal parts. طيب. Is this shape shows thirds?
No. Yeah. No.
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 Why no?
Because it's not equal.
No, they're not equal. شاطر يا آدم. Here we have three parts, but they're not equal. So I cannot say that this shows the thirds. Thank you, Adam. Good job. طب يلا يا بتول.
Yes.
Is this shape shows thirds? عمرو ركز معايا.
This the blue?
The green one.
No.
No, why?
Because it is not like it is like the three parts, but it's not equal.
They're not equal. Good job يا بتول. Thank you. طيب
It is,
ياسين.
Miss,
Yeah?
this is the next one.
Okay, you want to answer the next one? The next one equal or not? And thirds or not?
Yes, it is equal.
Thirds. So this is thirds. So we're going to circle because this shows thirds. Thank you. طيب ياسين عمرو. يلا ياسين. The brown triangle. Is this
No.
thirds? No. Why?
Because it's not like this.
They're not equal. There are three parts, but they're not equal. They're not the same. Good job.
Yeah.
طب can I say that this is thirds?
Yes.
Yeah. Why?
Because it's the same parts.
Yeah, all the parts are the same or equal. Thank you, Yasin. Good job. طيب يا عمرو.
Yes, miss.
يلا يا عمرو. The purple square. Is this shows thirds?
Yes,
Yeah, why?
because it's equal. Equal shifts is 3.
3 equal parts. Yeah, طيب. The heart here. Is this thirds?
No,
No, why?
because we have 3 in this is not like the 3 parts is not like
Yeah,
is
good job. The 3 parts are not the same. Are not the
Miss
same.
Amelia drawing.
Thank you, Yam. Good job.
Amelia drawing. We will not have a break because you're drawing.
I'm drawing?
Yes, you don't have
No.
a break.
No,
Can
this
you
is not drawing. I'm answering the questions.
Okay,
Okay. Thank you for giving me a chance.
okay.
طيب شهد?
Can you leave my mic and me not talking?
Of course. يلا يا شهد. The green triangle. As this shows thirds?
Yes.
Yes. Why?
Those 3 equal parts.
Because we have 3 equal parts. طيب يا شهد, this one shows thirds?
No.
No. Why? Look at the parts.
Yes.
Yeah, they are the same. All the parts are the same. So we're going to choose this one. Okay, so we finished the first one about the thirds. Grade 1, you have to read the question carefully. Circle each shape that shows thirds. Thirds, yeah, so I'm looking for 3 equal parts. Okay, this is the first question. طيب, here I saw in homework that in coloring, I said in question, color 1/3 of the following. I saw in the homework you colored all the pieces, all the parts. I saw maybe Yasin Ayman colored all the parts. Where is Yasin Ayman? Yasin Ayman, turn on your mic.
Yes.
Yes, honey. The question here
Yes.
is color 1/3. 1 out of 2 يعني 1/3. Sorry, 1/3 يعني color one part only. The upper number here means color one part only. I saw that in fourths, maybe you colored all the parts, right? But with different colors, yeah. No, I want from you to color only one part. Maybe in the homework of
I
fourth.
don't read it. I don't read it.
Oh,
Because I don't read it.
yeah, no, you have to read the question carefully. Okay?
No, I don't read the question.
I know, ما أنا بقول لك أهو لازم نقرأ السؤال كويس. You have to read the question carefully. Okay? So here I said color 1/3, 1 out of 3 of the following. يعني how many parts I'm going to color here يا ياسين؟
1.
1. 1/3 يعني color one part
هتبتدي؟
from the 3 parts. So I will color this part. Thank you ياسين. طيب ياسين محمد. ياسين سامي. طيب لارا يونس.
Yes.
يلا يا لارا. How many parts I'm going to color here?
3. Yes, miss.
How many parts?
Yes, miss.
One part. Why? Wait, Yasin.
Because it's color 1 out of 3.
Yeah, 1/3 or 1 out of 3. So I'm going to color one part only. You can color any part that you want, Okay, thank you Lara. طيب ياسين.
Yes.
يلا يا ياسين. ها. He said in this question color 1/3. يعني how many parts I'm gonna color here?
One.
One part only, okay? One part only. Don't color all the parts. طيب يلا يا ليان.
أنا كنت
يلا يا ليان.
Yes, Miss Ralim.
Yes honey, read the questions and read it carefully.
The figures that are divided into equal parts and cut one of two of each figure.
Yeah, find the figures that are divided into two equal parts. Two equal parts means halves. So here we have, it's like two questions. We have to figure the figures with two equal parts and color one half. Yeah, color one half يعني how many parts I'm gonna color يا ليان? How many parts I'm going to color in the half here? Layan. Yeah, I said then color one half. One half means how many parts I'm going to color? One part. Very good. So let's start to find the shapes with the half and color them. So as this shape shows halves,
Yes,
yeah, so how many parts I'm going to color here?
one part.
One part. Why?
Because the question said color one.
One out of two or one half is the same with coloring one part. Good job يا ليان. Thank you. طيب مصطفى.
Yes.
يلا, is this shape shows half?
No.
No, so we're not going to choose this shape. طيب, is this shape shows halves?
No.
No, why?
Not the same.
Because of what?
It's not the same.
I cannot hear you. Raise your voice.
It's not the same.
They're not equal. They're not the same. Thank you. طيب رقية يحيى.
Yes.
Yeah, do you know what's the meaning of the question? Do you know how to answer this?
Yeah.
Yeah, he asked from you to find the shapes with halves and color one half. So as this flower shows halves,
No.
why no? Okay,
Because
we have a line here. Okay, we have a line here. Is this shape shows halves? Hmm. Do you know what's the meaning of halves, ya Ruqayya?
yeah,
What's the meaning of halves?
the um half means
Halves means, we said in the beginning, halves means two equal parts. Halves means two parts, and these two parts are equal. In this question, in this rectangle, Mustafa said that this not halves. Why? Because here we have two parts, but they're not equal. So the halves means two equal parts. The first part here is the same with the second part. So as this flower shows halves, Ruqayya?
yes,
يلا Ruqayya, is this flower shows halves?
yes,
Yeah, so I'm gonna choose it. طيب. Huh? We have another thing we have to do with this flower. He said what? Huh? Read it. He said
the
color
color 1/2, 2
here one
of
out of two of each. يعني how many parts I'm going to color here يا رقية? How many parts I'm gonna color in this flower?
2.
Two? No, I said 1/2. The word one ماشي يا رقية means color one part. 1/2 means color one part. So here I'm going to color one part of the flower, okay? This part.
Okay.
طيب thank you. Let's see. أسيل. أسيل. Yeah, is this ladybug shows halves?
What?
Is this ladybug shows halves?
2 halves, yes.
Yeah, why?
Can you leave my mic open?
Okay, answer the question first. Why?
Miss, I want to color it here myself.
Okay, how many parts you're gonna color?
2.
Two, are you sure?
I mean 1.
Why one? If you said two, I'll ask why. If you said one, I'll ask why.
Because it says here to color on only 1/2.
1/2, يعني how many parts?
1.
One part. We're gonna color one part. Okay.
Miss, can you leave my mic open?
Okay, I see it. Thank you. Seji.
Yes.
يلا يا Seji. Is this heart shows halves?
Yes.
Yeah, طيب. So I will color how many parts I'm gonna color in this heart.
1.
One. Why one?
Because it says color 1. Yeah.
1/2. Yeah, one half means color one part only. So we're gonna color only one part. Thank you, Seji.
I
طيب
colored
رقية
them
محمود.
already.
Yeah, only one part, not the two parts.
Colored.
Miss, can I make the heart again? Because I want to make the heart.
Again, we answered the heart.
Please, I like the heart.
How come? We finished the heart. Okay, make the circle. Huh?
Okay.
He said in the question,
Become big.
he said in the question, find the figures that are divided in two equal parts. Is this circle shows two equal parts?
No.
No.
4.
Four
Miss, can I
equal,
answer another one, please?
4 equal parts. طيب, this triangle shows two equal parts?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I have to color 1/2. What's the meaning of 1/2?
Can I color it? Can I color it?
Okay, try.
I think I have an arrow, not a pen.
Not a pen. Okay, tell me. He said color 1/2. So how many parts I'm gonna color?
1/2 from here.
Yeah, so how many parts?
2.
1/2
I
means
mean
2?
one.
How come?
I
Yeah,
mean
1/2, one. The word one. So 1/2 means color one part only. Thank you, Ruqayya.
Miss, can you leave my mic open?
Okay. Zain.
Miss, can
Zain.
Whoa, we answered all of the things. Yes.
Yalla ya Zain. This shape shows halves?
Yes. And like, I think this is a paper that turned like an You know when you turn a paper and things that flies.
Yeah, I know. So I'm asking, these two parts showing halves or not?
No, no, this is not it.
Why they're not
And
halves?
miss, and the circle is literally half. It's
The circles half?
it's equal.
They're equal, but they're not half. In the
Yes.
circle we have
It's
here equal parts, but they're not half. They're fourths. We have four equal parts, not two equal parts. Okay? So this not
okay.
equal parts. This shape doesn't show that the halves. Thank you. طيب Mustafa?
Yes.
Yes, Mustafa. Read the question.
Circle the figures with equal parts. Cross out the figures with unequal parts.
Yeah, here we're talking about the unequal parts in general, okay? Equal parts. Circle the figures with equal parts. Cross out the figures with unequal parts. Unequal, يعني they're not equal. So let's start with the triangles, يا Mustafa. Huh. What triangle shows
Cross
equal
out
parts? The first one, cross out. Why? There, I'll cross it out.
because it's not equal parts.
They're not equal. Okay, the next one,
Not equal.
not equal, unequal. Huh? The third one,
Equal.
equal. So we're going to circle this shape. And the fourth one,
Unequal.
unequal. Thank you, Mustafa. Good job. Salim,
Yes, I did it. Yes.
yalla Yasmin. Huh? I will cross out the shapes. They're not equal, and I will circle the shapes that shows equal parts. And the first one.
Yes.
Yeah, Salim.
Yes.
Yeah. Do you hear me? Are you listening?
Yes, I'm listening.
Yeah, I said we're going to cross out the shapes that are not showing the equal parts and choose the shapes that shows the equal parts. So the first one, I will choose it or cross it out.
Mm, no.
This shape shows equal parts.
So,
It
Salim, could you
put
please?
X.
X, yeah, we're going to cross it out. These parts are not equal. But the second one,
Second one.
yeah,
You put
equal or not? Salim,
not X. Second one. Check mark.
put
Circle. Circle.
put X or circle it. Salim, are you listening? Salim,
Yes. Yes.
yeah, circle it or cross it out.
Pull it.
I cannot hear you.
Pull it.
You said what?
Pull it.
You want? I don't know that I heard right. You want to go to toilet? I cannot hear you.
Pull it.
You want to go to the bathroom, ya Salim? I cannot hear you. عمرو.
Yes, miss.
يلا يا عمرو. The next shape, this shape. Am I gonna
Yes.
circle it or cross it out?
Circle.
Why? Huh? Why?
Because it's equal.
Because the parts are equal. But the third one يا عمرو.
No.
No,
Cross.
so we're gonna cross it out. But the fourth one.
We're not crossing.
Yeah, we're going to choose it because there are 4 equal parts. Thank you يا عمرو.
You're
طيب
welcome. Can you leave my mic?
of course. Dalida?
Yes.
Dalida, I want to choose the figures that shows equal parts. So the first one. This circle shows equal parts or no?
This
Yeah, the first circle.
is two equal parts.
Yeah, 2 equal parts. So we're going to choose it. Type the second shape. This circle shows shows in general equal parts?
No.
No, so we're gonna cross it out. The third one. Choose it or cross it out. Yeah, the leader. The third circle. I'm gonna choose it or cross it out. Rita, the question here said choose the figures that shows equal parts, cross out the shapes that shows unequal parts. So I will choose this circle or cross it out.
Cross out.
Cross out. Like the fourth one.
Cross
Cross. These parts are not equal.
are equal.
Are equal, so we're gonna choose it. Circle it. He said in the question, Yadalida, circle the figures with equal parts. Cross out the figures with unequal parts. Okay?
Okay.
Batul? Thank you, Dalida. Good job. يلا يا بتول. Huh? Here. I want to choose the shapes with equal parts. Shape with equal parts?
The equal parts. Miss, what
The question said circle the figures with equal parts, cross out the figures with unequal parts.
Okay.
So this shape I will circle it or cross it out.
Cross it out, and the
Cross.
next one you will circle it.
Yeah, the next one with us because there are 4 equal parts. طيب the third one يا بتول.
Yes. Circle
Yes,
it.
we're going to circle because there are 3 equal parts. طب the fourth
Because
one.
the
Yeah.
next one, no.
No. طب you
not
said
circle.
because of what?
Because the equal parts, not like that you cross it.
Yeah, because they are equal, but the shapes that cross it out, the parts are not equal. Thank you, Batul. Good job. طيب, let's see. Sidra. يلا يا Sidra.
Yes, miss.
Yes, honey, read the question. Circle.
Circle
The
the
shapes
shapes.
that shows
Miss, can I answer?
circle the shapes that shows fourths. So we're going to circle the shapes that shows fourths. Okay, Sidra? Then color 1/4 of each shape. So we're going to choose the shape and color it, okay? Color
Okay.
1/4 means we're going to color one part only. طيب, is the first shape shows fourths? Is this shape shows fourths?
This one, this shape.
Yeah, this one?
No.
No, why?
Is because it is
The fourths means what?
a fourth.
Yeah. From the word fourths, يعني four equal parts. Fourths يا سيدرا means 4 equal parts. يعني 4 parts and these 4 parts are equal. Okay, so here we have only 2 parts. So this is not fourths. طيب, ها, the second shape, is this shows fourths?
No.
No. طيب, the third shape, is this shows fourths?
Yes.
Yes, are you sure? Why yes? احنا قلنا في كلمة مهمة قوي لازم ناخد بالنا منها. fourths يا سيدرا يعني four equal parts. البارتس يبقوا ايه؟ equal. عارفة يعني ايه equal؟
لا.
equals يعني the same size. All of the parts are the same shape and the same size. Do you see here that the shapes are
Yes.
equal?
Yes.
This part is the same with this part. I'm not talking about the squares. I'm talking about the parts in this square. Isidro, is this part the same with this part and the same with this part and the same with this part?
No.
Are these parts looks the same?
No.
No, they are 4 parts. أنا معاك إن هما 4 parts but they're not equal. إحنا قلنا لازم fourth يعني equal. لازم equal يعني the same shape and the same size. All the parts looks the same. So this is not fourths. طيب, the fourth one here, fourths or not? ها سيدرا, fourths or
Yes.
not?
Yes.
The last shape, fourth or not?
Not.
Not, why?
It is because
Mm-hmm.
it's like
Because of what? How many parts in this shape, يا سيدرا?
four.
Sidra,
Yes.
wait, turn on your mic again. يلا يا Sidra.
Yes.
Yeah, how many parts in this shape?
Four.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
3, 4.
طيب, all the parts looks the same or not?
The same.
The same. The first triangle here is the same with the second triangle, the same with the third one, and the same with the last one. So can I say that this shape shows fourths?
No.
برضو no. سيدرا, انت فاهمة الكويستشن عايز ايه؟ choose the shape that shows one shows fourths. هنختار الشيب اللي بيورينا الفورثs. قلنا يعني ايه fourths؟ قلنا يعني ايه fourths؟ يعني 4 parts are equal. يعني 4 parts the same. They are like twins. The parts here looks the same. There is no difference between them. معايا يا سيدرا؟
Yes.
بصي في الشيب اللي هنا They are not equal. Here we have a small triangle, and we have here another shape, and here we have another shape, and another shape different. All the parts are not the same. So this is not fourths, not fourths. Okay, but in the last one we have four parts, and these four parts are equal, looks the same. There is no difference between this part and this part and this part and this part. So can I say that this shape shows fourths? Sidra, Sidra, this shape shows fourths?
Yes.
Yes. Why yes? ليه بقى قلنا عليه fourths؟
It's because it's equal parts.
Yeah, all the parts are equal. طيب, this is the first part of the question. He said color 1/4. عارفة يعني ايه 1/4؟ يعني how many parts I'm going to color يا سيدرا؟ 1/4.
Yes, I know what you mean.
1/4 احنا قلنا هنا زي 1/3. زي هنا اهو. قلنا مثلا 1/2 يعني color one part. 1/4 يعني color one part of the four parts. 1/4 from the word one. One يعني I'm going to color only one part from the four parts. Okay, Sidra?
Okay.
Color 1/4 يعني color one part out of four parts. Color one part only. طيب, the next question. يلا يا آدم. Yeah, the question is